Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Kennedy. I am a Family and Consumer Sciences agent with the University of Florida IFAS Extension Service. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a quick and delicious casserole using items that you may already have in your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you again at the end. And it's as simple as that. By keeping your pantry stocked with common food staples, you can always have enough on hand to whip up a delicious and quick meal on those busy nights. Here's to you.